So why you gotta brake when I'm driving? I think that sucks.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Damn tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Sheared off our track bar bracket. That's probably what our death wobble issue was this whole time, I would imagine. So what did I break?
Everything, everything, everything. As Cat Williams would say.
Getting it out of the way.
I don't even know if this is gonna work. To be dead ass with you. Sure.
How does that just shear off like that? Just from tension?
See, see how it's rusty right there where I couldn't hardly see?
Yeah.
So it's been fatiguing.
Okay. Can it go in there? Yeah.
Here. Pull this out. Keep going, go.
So why you gotta brake when I'm driving? I think that sucks.
I think the better question is why you gotta brake when none of my crew's out here to fucking back me up?
Yeah.
That sucks even more. Because now I'm on a solo mission.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?